Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. But today I'm doing a huge SHEIN bikini try on haul. Gifted me a bunch of their bikinis for this summer, so I thought I would share with you everything I picked out. And they also did provide me with a coupon code, and if you use the code NicoleSW24 you will get 15% off your order. I will have that of course in the description box for you guys. If you guys just stumbled upon this, or if you've been following me for a while, you know that at the end of last year I had my baby girl, so I'm currently 7 months postpartum, and let me tell you, my clothes and swimsuits and all that are still not fitting me. It's been quite a journey, and just my body has changed, and it's been a journey to kind of accept that and be like, it's okay, and just kind of get used to that. But I decided, you know what? I'm still gonna go ahead and get myself some new bikinis this summer. I'll size up, and I just love SHEIN bikinis. I've done hauls on them before, but to be honest, pretty much most of my bikinis I wear for the most part are from SHEIN. For my honeymoon, I got a bunch of SHEIN bikinis and I love them, and they held up. So if you've seen photos on my Instagram of bikinis, most likely it's from SHEIN. I just think their swimsuits are so nice, and the designs and everything are really great. But I definitely recommend looking at reviews to make sure if you need to kind of size up, because it can maybe run a little bit small. Hoping these bikinis fit me. This is the first time I am trying a bathing suit postpartum, so be easy on me. I haven't tried any swimsuits or put on a swimsuit postpartum, and it is now summertime. Really believe that if you have a body, you have a bikini body. And with that being said, let's just jump right into it. So I'm gonna start first with this pair. So this is a super high-waisted bikini one. It's a lot more full coverage. Sometimes they're a little bit not so full coverage, and I've always been a little bit more uncomfortable with that. So I definitely like when things can be a little bit more full coverage. So this one is super gorgeous. I love the colors and the florals, and I love the ruffle detailing it has right here on the trim of the bikini. I think that's really cute and feminine, and I just love like the pinks, the oranges, the yellow. This just screams summer to me. And then it just comes with this bikini top. So this is just kind of like the typical bra style bikini. This is what I typically go for. We'll see how I'm liking it postpartum, because of course my whole body has changed now, so it's all like trial and error. But it just has this clasp back over here, and then it has the little strings here that you tie like a halter. And I just really liked it because I love the ruching on the trim over here. I just think the ruching is a really nice cute detail, and then it has the little extra detail here. This is just gonna definitely be one of my go-to swimsuits I feel like this year. Next, moving on to this blue piece. This one is also high-waisted and more full coverage. Like I said, I do like a more full coverage bum, but of course it's all up to preference. So this is kind of like that, is it paisley design? I got it in the blue color. They did have this in a red color, I believe, which is like, I feel like the typical color you would get in paisley design, but I love the blues. I love the dark blue with the light blue, and it's a very full coverage. And the top is a little bit of a different style. It's more of a bandeau style top with the straps, which I also do really love this style of top as well. And it does have adjustable straps, which I find to be very convenient. Of course, it is lined on the inside. It does have the inserted cups, which I personally prefer, because when they don't have the cups, I just find them to be a lot more sheer and see-through. So yeah, I think this is gonna be also a really nice one, and I love this nice rich blue color. Moving on to a different styled one. So this is different than I have, but I just thought it was so beautiful and dainty and girly. And starting first with the top, which is a lot different for me because it's a lot more longer, and I love this. I thought this was so adorable. I love the white with the roses. Kind of has like ruching going down with a little bit of boning, kind of giving it like a corset style top. And it has like the underwire with the pads for the chest area. It has the little cute bow detail in the middle, and then it has the ruffling on the sleeves. I feel like this is very croquette style. I believe that's what I'm thinking, and that's what it's called. I just thought this was super feminine and girly and dainty. And then it has the adjustable straps. I kind of liked how the top was a little bit longer. I've never had that before, and I just had to try it out for myself. And then the bottoms are a little bit more cheeky than the last two I showed you. Comes with the white bottoms. It's very floral. It has the matching bow detail on the bottom as well. The front definitely looks a little bit tiny, but I thought this was so cute. And of course you can always mix and match your bikinis as well. I've always kind of done that. Sometimes I'll wear it with like a black bottom or whatever. I've definitely mixed and matched bikinis in the past. Next, moving on to this beige and white one. So this is what it looks like. You can tell it's more like high-waisted and higher on the hips, which I really love that. I think it's super flattering on everyone's body. It reminds me of like a picnic table like design. And then it comes with the top, of course, and this is like a bra style top like the first one. Very simple. It just has the beige and white, but I love the little cute bow detail in the middle. I've been loving bows lately and just florals. And then it has the clasp for the back, which to be honest, I find these clasps to be really good. Never had a problem with SHEIN bikinis. And the straps are really fun as well because it kind of has like that double strap detail. It does have the adjustable straps, and I just really loved the color of this bikini. I loved the kind of like cream brown with the white. This also does have the underwire and it does have the cups. I do like to have a little bit more support when it comes to my tops. Okay, this next one is a 3-piece one, and I've definitely gotten a bunch of these for my honeymoons and I love them. I wore them so much and I found them to be really nice and convenient to have like the 3-piece. Starting first with the bottoms. This is what the bottoms look like. It's definitely more of an ombre one. They had this in all different colors, but I really liked the blue / turquoisey color. I thought this was a really nice. I love the little tie-dye design. And then it comes with the top, which is just a typical like bikini triangle top. It does have pads in it as well, which I really like I said, to have that extra little cushion. If you guys haven't seen, I actually did do a whole video around how to style and transform your old bikinis with like a basic bikini, because you could wear this in so many different ways. So I will link that video above and have it down below for you guys. Wearing it in different ways can also help give you more support if you kind of want to lift your girls more, just have more support than the typical way that you would wear it. It comes with a skirt, I believe. Oh, does it come with the top? Oh, I didn't even realize this is a 4-piece. I thought it just came with a bottom, but it also came with a top, which is even nicer. I really love that. So it comes with a top where it has like the sheer sleeves and it kind of ties in the middle. I think this is gonna be so adorable. And then it comes with the bottoms, which is like a little skirt, which I love. I always wear these to the beach. I find this to be super convenient, especially when you're on vacation, when you could just throw this on top of your bathing suit and then go get some food or something near the beach. I find it to be really convenient to kind of have like a full-on set, because it's still very comfortable. It's very breezy. Of course, if you're at like a hot destination, you don't want to wear like a full-on outfit and then you can go back and lay on the beach. I love when it comes with these sets. I think it's super fun and it just looks so nice on. Next, let's move on to a black bikini, because most of my bikinis, I have to say, are very colorful this time. Do love a good black bikini, but this one's really fun because it has like the floral detailing. So it has this like floral trim going all across the front. It just has the green with the pinks, which I thought was really nice. It's a little bit cheeky, but not super cheeky. The top looks like this, which is the typical, like, once again, bra style top. It has the clasp in the back, but it has that same trimming. It looks like roses all across the front of the chest, and then going up the straps. They do have adjustable straps as well. So I thought that was really fun to the typical basic black bikini. I thought it was really nice adding the little trim of the floral. It just added a little bit of a pop of color, but it's still like a good staple bikini. Now moving on to the last two. Both of them are pink, but different. This one's definitely more of a vibrant pink. It just looks like this. This one, I have to say, is probably the cheekiest in the back. I didn't realize how cheeky these were, but it definitely goes higher on the hips, you can tell, and it just has this more magenta pinks, a lot more brighter pinks. It has the floral design all over, and I love the trimming all along the whole bottoms. It just has these little kind of like crochet white detailing, and then it has the same thing for the top, has that crochet white detailing all going all along the top. And the top's really cool. It has more of a thicker strap, and there is adjustable straps, but the back, instead of a clasp, is just a tie back, which I think is really fun. And then my last bikini is just another white and pink one. I am clearly feeling pink this year. So this one's really cool. It has floral detailing. It has like little angels all around it. This kind of gives me Venetian style for some reason. And it just has the cups with the underwire, has the cups inside, it has just skinny straps with the adjustable strap, and it has that same little clasp. But I really just loved the pattern on this bathing suit. And then the bottoms look like this. I believe these are definitely going to be a little bit more cheeky as well. Actually, this is a little bit more full coverage than the last one I showed you guys. So I just think the design is really fun. You could tell it goes also higher on the hips. I love the little baby pink with the white. You can never go wrong with that little combo. But those are all of the bikinis I picked up for this summer. I hope you guys like them. I hope this was useful as well, because I always just like to read reviews when it comes to bikinis, because some bikinis can be super, super micro, and then also you don't want it to be see-through. You want to make sure you know what you're getting. But I have to say, I really, really do love SHEIN Swim. That's probably my favorite thing on their website, because I've been wearing their swimsuits now for years and I still have them, and they're just my go-to suits whenever I am going on vacation or I do go to a beach. Like I said, I will have my discount code down below. It's just NicoleSW24, and that's gonna get you 15% off of your orders. So make sure you guys go ahead and use that. But I hope you guys enjoy. Thumbs it up if you like it. Maybe I'll do another one if you guys want to see more. Maybe I could do like a one-piece one or a different swimsuit one. Let me know, and don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!